Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I'm cash planning for the week. I have $3.59 that I plan on putting into all of my envelopes this week. I already figured out the wallet that's getting the usual amount, which is $170. So in my wallet, I split it between these envelopes here. I have spending, that's getting $30, eating out $30, groceries $80, coffee $20, and then buffer $10. So that's a total of $170 for my weekly spending in my wallet. $3.59 minus $170. Okay, that leaves me with $189. I want to start with a savings challenge because I have one that I like to roll the dice with. So let's do that one first. Okay. So this one is one from my shop. This here for the snacks roll the dice challenge. I'm gonna roll twice for this one. So I have 6 and 1. So 6 and 1 is the popcorn. That's $5. Okay, that's the first roll. And then the second roll we have 3 and 1, which is another. Oh no, sorry, 3 and 1, which is the mini bar. So that's $3. All right, so that's a total of $8 for this week's cash stuffing. Oops, here. $8 for this one, minus 8. Okay, I like to get this one out of the way first because I roll the dice to do it. So I like to do that one first before I move on to my other envelopes. All right, so let's go. I'll come back to this one. Let's go to some high priority envelopes right now. We're gonna do auto. That's gonna get 10. Extra savings will get 10. Let me see, am I good with subscriptions? I'm gonna put 10 in subscriptions because I know I have a subscription due. It might be coming out today or probably Monday, maybe, for Amazon. So I'm gonna put 10 in there. And then I think that's it for now. Okay. Oh wait, what am I doing? Let's go back into this one. Now I'm just gonna go down the line and fill them up. So electronics is gonna get 5. Emergency will get 5. I already did extra savings. Furniture, how much do I have for furniture? $283. Okay, I think I'm gonna start putting a pause on this envelope because I have a decent amount in here. I mentioned in my other video, so sorry if I'm repeating it again. But I really don't need too much more furniture in my place because, yeah, I live in a 2-bedroom apartment and I have most of the main furniture in most of the areas. It's just my bedroom that's a little lacking with stuff. I want to do something in my closet with some furniture pieces in there just for organization and maybe like one piece in my bedroom. I have a decent amount of furniture pieces in my bedroom already, like the main things, but I might want to add like one thing actually in the room. Since I haven't really used this too much, I think what I'm going to do is just even this out to 85. So I'm just going to put $2 in here. So it's $2.85 and then put a pause on this one until I actually start spending the money. So this will get $2. Month ahead we'll get 5. Rainy day we'll get 5. Registration 5. Road trip 5. Scentsy 5, lots of 5s. And subscriptions I did and travel will get 5. Okay. Next we're going to beauty. Actually, I think I want to put 10 in beauty this week. Clothing will get 5. Costco will get 5. Actually, I want to go to Costco tomorrow. Family will get 5. Gifts will get 5. Home 5. And household 5. Pantry is not getting anything. It's fully funded at 30, so I don't have to worry about that one. And then Target will get 5. Okay, I only have a few more envelopes and then some savings challenges. We'll see what I can do with what I have left over. Disneyland will get 5. Treat Yourself, 5. Fun, 5. Hobbies, 5. Christmas, 5. Holiday decor, 5. Okay, that leaves me with 34. I think that's a decent amount for savings. All right, so first up is 100 envelope. I always plan for 5, but then with leftover money from my wallet, because I will have some leftover, I think I want to, okay, for sure spending will be leftover because I don't have too much in there left. Eating out, oh, I haven't gone out to eat all week. Proud of myself, but I am going today because I do not want to cook anything. But I won't spend, I don't think I'll spend that unless I go to Wingstop. But no, I shouldn't go to Wingstop, even though I really want to. But Wingstop tends to be like 20. But even if I go to Wingstop, that still leaves me with 10. So I will have some money left over there. This goes into Costco. This actually is spent already. I need to pull that out. And then I'll have my buffer money. So I will have a little bit left over to put towards this to bump it up. So that's why I'm planning on 5 for this one. And then with leftover money, it'll help me increase the amount. Okay, and then I have Cash Dash 1, which is this challenge here. We're just gonna do 10 in here. Each of these sections is 10. So that's 10 minus 10. Oh, and then Cash Dash 2. Let's see what I got for Cash Dash 2. We'll do 3. Let's do plan for 3. Plan for 3, and then it'll probably get more. 3. And then here for the snacks. Oops, wrong binder. Here for the snacks is this one. So again, I'll plan for 5, and then hopefully I can bump it up to a higher amount with leftover money. 5. Plus, then I also have this challenge, which is a $5 challenge, so that'll get 5. Leaves me with 6. I actually want to take a 5 and put it towards another category. Which category do I want to put it towards? We're going to put it towards Christmas, because I probably should have made that a higher priority. So this will get 10. I'm putting an extra 5, so minus 5. And then that $1 will go into the $1 savings challenge. Okay, I really hope I didn't mess up anywhere with my calculations, because I really like how I put all these amounts, like where they went, where all the money went. So as long as I didn't mess up here, we're good. So I'm just going to double check my numbers. All right, perfect. 359, that is correct. Now I can figure out the denominations for this. So, move this way. All right, so we have 10. It's going to be just tons of 5s, basically. All right, so 10, 5, 10. Okay, this one's 2. And then we have 5s, a few 5s here. 10, 5, 10. Oh, tons of 5s here. Uh, 10, 5, 5, 10. Then, oh, I messed up. Hold on, sorry. I messed up. This is 5, this is 10, this is 3, 5, and then we have Treat Yourself, which is 8. So that's 5 and 3 1s, then 5, and then 1. Okay, now we're gonna count the tallies. So I have 50, that's 1, 3 20s, 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 5s. And then 1s, I have 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. so now that all of those are counted, I'm going to multiply these two numbers and then add them all together to see if I get 359. So 50 times 1 is 50, 3 times 20 is 60, 10 times 11 is 110, 25 times 5 is 125, and then 14. Okay, so 50, 60, 110, 125, and 14. Perfect, 359. So that is what I'm going to be getting from the bank today. Get a little sticky note. All right, so that's going to be 50s. I need one. Oops. That's $50. And then 20s. I need 3 of those. That's $60. 10s. I need 11. That's 110. 5s. 25. That is 125. Oops. And then 1s. 14. $14. Total of $359. Okay, so that is what I'm going to be asking for when I go to the bank today, and that is going to be my cash planning for this week. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Give it a hype. If you have any hypes left, I'd appreciate it. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe. I put out tons of content on my channel, so definitely, if you like what you see here, you definitely want to subscribe so you keep up with all the content. And I will have my cash stuffing video up tomorrow on Sunday. Usually that's when I post my cash stuffing videos, so you can see how all this money actually goes into the envelopes if you're interested. But that's going to be it. Thank you again so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.